Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with DMWYT. We've got Irv's 2018 Ford Focus RS chilling here. Just finished washing it up. And in the last video you saw with Irv, we saw you got the new Precision Turbo on there, the big turbo for the RS. And a lot of people have been wondering what has happened. It's been about 3 weeks since I dropped that video. No, the car has not exploded. There's only been one minor issue. Probably clickbaited you with the title. There was a bad seal on the turbo.
Yeah, the turbo was leaking oil from the band pretty much fresh after install. Took some pictures, sent it to Precision. I had a conversation with one of their salesmen and came to the conclusion that it needs a rebuild. So
damn, so went through all the work in the last video of throwing this brand new turbo in, come to find out that it was built incorrectly and the seal is bad, so it's leaking oil, but you're still able to push it through and been dialing down the tunes with JST Performance, his tuner that runs through the Cobb access port. So you're up to 32 pounds of boost now, even with the leak at the seal. Yeah, so the turbo's not bad, the turbo's not blown, just has a bad seal and leaks a minor amount of oil. So not a huge deal. Here in the next 2 weeks, I'd say, Irv's gonna have to disassemble the car again, pull the turbo out, and ship it back to Precision to get a whole new rebuild, and then get it back and do everything all over again. So super frustrating, but luckily they're just rebuilding it for free, obviously, because it's 100% their fault for shipping out a turbo like that. No, it is what it is, but it's not a huge deal because Irv's still gotten the tunes dialed in. So when he gets the rebuild kit, or when he gets the rebuild turbo, you just toss that on and still be shooting for the moon. So you've been through what, like 10, 15 revision tunes with JST?
So right now we just finished the pump gas. That took 12 revisions. 12
revisions to get to E85.
Yeah, and that's because we had a minor boost leak, so I had to go ahead and replace all the clamps that were on the car with T-bolt clamps, refined a couple things, replaced my wideband sensor, the intake temperature sensor, my map sensor, clean my filter, anything I could think of that would maybe, you know, cause it to read incorrectly. I had to preload my wastegate pretty much all the way for it to actually like work and make good boost, but figured it out.
It's sick. So, and now you're making 32 pounds of boost on the big turbo. That's what's super nice about Irv's Tuner JST is, you know, they run tons and tons of data logs and tons of different revisions to make sure that the car is running absolutely perfect, no issues. They've just been chasing down everything, and I think probably the last issue is going to be the seal on the turbo, right? Having it
that should be it.
Rebuild. What you guys do want to see is in the last episode, I told you I'd be giving you runs as soon as you got a good tune file on there. So tonight we're going to be doing some full pulls in the big turbo RS, sending it to the moon, even though it's got a bad seal, because that's how we do it on the channel. Also, you got some other little goodies that he went around my back and installed without me there with the camera, but we got this nice Cabron fiber vented hood. Woo-wee! Who makes that?
Anderson Composites.
Ooh, that thing is hot. And you just did this because the intake temps, engine temps, super hot?
Everything and pretty much all the temps were getting a little high, and just to keep the engine bay cooler, I
add some little vents, you know, so all your turbo noises can just go pshoo. This thing looks super sick. They wrapped the edges red to match the rest of the car and kind of flows with the car, but it's this nice carbon fiber weave, and then we have the dual vents there. Looks super aggressive and really, really cool. He changed up his gurney flap, so still the same hardware and kind of mounting, but he just made it a little bit bigger, and I think it looks super cool. So if you're RS ST guy and you want this gurney flap, Irv, if he gets enough interest, might make them, question mark. We'll see. They're pretty sweet. I don't know. I think it looks super dope and really aggressive. Pop the hood. Oh my gosh, it's a spoon engine. He's got the car wash bucket, but damn, he's got this massive strut support bar back here. He's deleted the rear seats and just put some ABS kind of plastic plates in place to make it not look so ugly. Got that rear seat delete for the weight reduction because you're, you know, shooting for the moon with your little four banger. And then we got the obviously massive strut bar. This thing is sick. Glittery blue powder coat on there. It looks super cool. Ah, yeah, there's the glitter. There's the glitter. Then it just says massive. I need to get a sticker. Massive. I think that's all the updates. He just did the hood, the strut bar, and then changed up his little gurney flap there. And that's about it. Oh, and I don't think I've showed you guys this, but he added little weather stripping and new hardware to the fenders, and got rid of the rivets. Those are probably the most notable difference. Lost a lot of weight. What do you think? Like 50 pounds dumping the rear seats?
According to forums and stuff like that, everything in the trunk and seats and all that combines just right around 100 pounds. So
damn.
I'd say just the seats alone are probably a good amount of that, but I can't imagine that foam being super heavy either. So
yeah. Well, that's nice. You never use the rear seat, so it's a perfect opportunity to do it. Yeah, that's pretty much all the updates. So now let's just jump right into giving you a little start. We'll take a few rips, and I'll try to get some flame action for you guys, because so yeah, let's just jump right into it. I don't know how cold this is gonna be. Probably. Damn, son.
Not too cold.
Damn, son. All right, let's go for some rips. Taking the RS for a little cruise. It sounds so good. It's a beautiful night out here in Utah. Oh, you also added these little Recaro.
Yeah, I got the Recaro sleeves to protect
Nice.
the neck.
Yeah. So match the little Recaro seats in the RS. I think that's dope. Yeah, we're gonna go full send on the Ripskis. My first reaction. Nice little third gear pull. Got up to a nice 45 miles per hour speed limit on this road. Nothing too crazy. Here we go. What are you revving out to? 7. Jeez. I guess that's not high to most people, but
We usually rev to 7 when data logging, but I can rev out to like 74 because of the
it's
cams.
dope. Dang, it pulls for days.
That was a
bro.
fucking solid.
That was nice,
That was
dude.
a good one, yeah.
Jeez. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can hear the blow up and the turbo spool and flutter is all crazy on the new big turbo. Oh my gosh.
That felt really good.
Ah, that was sick. Oh my. Those pulls were so freaking crazy, guys. This car is getting faster and faster by the day. More and more fun. We're just gonna wait till the sun drops a little bit so we can get a little flame action. Get a little flamey boys. We can't see them in the broad daylight, but we want to be shooting freaking nukes out of here. By the way, drop a like, subscribe if you're enjoying the content. We got more content coming on the Mark 6 soon. Boy ain't made a money out here. He's broke. YouTube pays me like $1 a month. So, you know, we try our best out here. Bringing you RS content. Videos on the AMG coming soon. Videos on the R coming. You know, we try our best out here. Yeah, the RS is freaking zooming and looks so pretty out here with this gorgeous ass sunset. Damn, son. That truck's nice. Ooh. You had light up door handles.
I know I need light door handles in.
He's dope, dude. These freaking truck boys out here just flexing on us. Yeah, this sunset is crazy. Yo. Now we're gonna do a little whap whap, see if we can get any flames. God damn! No flames. Try one more time. Driving. I think it's when you like.
It's not. I haven't even tested my launch control since the new tunes.
Really?
Yeah.
First time. Oh, congrats! Your car didn't blow up. So yeah, I think it's when you let off of like a ribbon. in like third or
it might
fourth
be
gear,
mild right now too.
and you shift and it just explodes. That's when I've seen it before. So we'll keep chasing the flames. We'll figure it out. But two-step sounding delicious with the
It
big
sounds
turbo.
really different too. Yeah.
It sounds crazy, bro. Sheesh. God damn. What? That was crazy. Did you get it on your phone?
Yeah.
Do it again. Yeah, right there. Boom. Just in case the camera didn't catch it. Jordan's first experience.
Scary fast.
Scary fast.
Scary fast.
Irv. Scary fast.
Very good, yeah.
Big fireballs. Don't want to do any more?
No, I think I'm good.
You're good?
I feel bad.
This is just a little something to keep the viewers interested. Let them know that it's not blown up yet.
Yeah, it's not.
It's
blown up.
not blown up yet. So yeah, we're super happy with where the RS is going. Can you even see me? So we're happy with where the RS is going. It's fast, it's loud, it shoots little flames, little fireball action. So we're happy with where that's going. So drop a like if you're enjoying the content on the RS. Make sure to subscribe to see more content on cars like this.
I was holding that in the entire time.
Shouts out to Jordy. Shouts out to Kyle. I'll do some footy from the boys' phone.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully I got it, dude.
I hope so. Fingers crossed.
It's freaking dope. Oh, I can hear myself think.
I know, it's so loud.
Ready for two-step?
Oh boy. Should I do a little bonus clip?
Pull in the middle.
Trying to get ideas on how to make Irv shoot more flames. So we're thinking of spark plugs in the exhaust, maybe some little flamethrower action.
Or meth.
I'll have an igniter in
That's what I-
in the tip of the exhaust, and I'll just have a little wire running to the front.
Ejectocito, cuz.
Touch a button,
Make it shoot flames.
make a spark.
Little bonus content for those of you who stayed. We're gonna hear Kyle's S4 little two-step action. Dumped.
Already set up.
Jesus Christ! Yo, you shot flames! Yo, Irv, where you at, bro? What the heck? Get an S4! Bro, those are some Do it again! Oh my gosh! Yo, that's crazy!
God damn.
Dude, you just shot all 4 pipes. Time to go. That is going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.